Hello friends, welcome to TrackHr. In this video we will learn to create tickets. Open TrackHr on your phone. As soon as you open the app, you will reach the home screen. To create tickets, we will open the dashboard, which opens by clicking the three bars icon at the top left and click on the ticket button. By doing this, we will come to the ticket list screen where we will see all our tickets. Tickets are tasks that a person wants to assign to himself or someone else in the entire organization and close only after verification. We can also set documents, chat messages, sharing, and due dates on tickets. To create a new ticket, press the Add Ticket button given below. As soon as we do this, TrackHr app will ask us for category selection, which will be your organization as well as the category of the ticket. After choosing, we will fill the description of this ticket. After this, we will select the allocated to in the ticket I by typing the name of the person who will do this task. After this, we will select Check by, who will be the person who will check whether the task is completed or not. We'll mark Close after verification. If you want to give some extra information in this ticket, you can put it in the remarks. You can also set some extra features in the ticket. Predefined TATI turnaround time is a time which shows how much time should be taken by allocated person to complete this ticket only once. If we want to set the fixed time while creating this ticket, then we can select it and set it in this manner. Location on action means there is an option to detect and save the location of the person on any action of this ticket, through which we can save it by turning on this button at the start of the ticket and for verification with these actions. Alert Now is a feature that will automatically sound an alarm on the person's phone as soon as the ticket is raised to seek the attention of the allocated person during some urgent task. If we want the allocated to person to complete the work by a date, then we can switch on the due date and select the date. After this, we will click on Save, so that our ticket will be created, and similarly in some simple steps we can create a ticket for any person in the TrackHr app.